Alrighty, now I'm on the bottom of page 373. Let's do some on our own. Now you're going to need graph paper for this one, okay? I got an image of graph paper from online, but you're going to need to use paper, okay? And you're going to want to use a ruler as well. And again, your y is always in the sky, so this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. This would be the origin also known as 0, 0 for the ordered pair. Okay, now I notice here my x is going up very slowly, 1, 3, 5, 7. So I can count by ones on my x-axis. So this first line here is going to be 1, 2. So I'm just going to make each one worth 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I only need to go up to 9. So I'm going to stop there. And then my y, same thing, pretty small, so I'm going to count by ones again here. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's right there. 7. And I only need to go up to 7, it looks like. That looks like it's my biggest number I'm dealing with. So these are my ordered pairs. Okay, so the first one, x always goes first, 1, 7, then 3, 6. I don't know this one yet, then 7, 4, then 9, 3. So I'm going to graph those points that I do have. So I'm going to run 1 and go up 7 for my first one, run 1, up 7, or rise 7. My first point goes there. Then I'm going to run 3, and rise 6. So I run 3, rise 6. Next point there. Okay, next I'm going to run 7, rise 4. So I run on my x-axis to 7, and then I rise up to 4. Just going to put my point right there. Okay, next I run to 9. And then, oh, whoops, I passed 9. Run to 9. And then rise 3. So my next point's going to go there. Okay, then I can use my ruler now to check out this relationship. And I can see here, if I go to 5 and run up, I'm going to hit right about here. And that makes sense because I'm going up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, which, yes, would put me at 5 and 5. See, I would run to 5. I hit my line there, and then I go to the left, and I see that that is at the 5 for the y as well. Okay, I'm going to erase this graph. You just use a different section of your graph paper. Okay, in fact, you know what? I'm going to do that actually. I'm just going to keep this same piece of graph paper because, look, I'm using small numbers again, so I know I have the space. So I'm going to use this. This is going to be my y in the sky, and this is going to be my x. Okay, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and I'm going to use this now to graph. Here are my ordered pairs. I don't know this one, so I can't graph it yet. So I have 1, 2. Remember, the x always goes first. I have 2, 3. I have 4, 5. And I have 7, 8. So let's run, and again, I'm going to count by ones because these are small numbers. So I'm going to go over, run over 1, go up 2, over 1, up 2. That puts me right there for my first point. Then I'm going to run over 2, up 3. That puts me there for my next point. Done with that one. I'm going to run over 4, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Done with that one. I'm going to run 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice I'm counting at the corners. Okay, so there's that point. Now I've graphed all the ones that I can. So I have those lines to guide my ruler, and I'm going to make a line. At least that's not a very good one. You want to make it as close as you can to the actual. Okay. And so that shows me if I go to 6, if I run over to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I rise until I meet my line, it's going to be right about there. And let's see, I should go up 1 over 1, 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 up 1 over 1. So yeah, when x is 6, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done. Again, if you have any questions, though, please pause the video if you're not sure how I'm doing something. Wait, Mr. Music, why did you put this here? Why did you draw your line like this? How did you get this number? Raise your hand, and let's talk about it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.